Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by verifying versions and hardware. You need up-to-date firmware and the latest rust patch. Check the HDMI cable and TV set to 60Hz because refresh mismatch creates stutter. Back up your saves and capture current display behavior so you can compare after changes. Next, ensure developer or performance mode is enabled on the console. This unlocks frame rate targets and reduces dynamic resolution swings. Once done, move immediately to targeted graphics setting adjustments. You'll now change in-game options to prioritize stability. Set a firm frame rate cap. Aim for 60 FPS if your console holds it, otherwise choose a stable 30. Reduce draw distance and shadow quality because they hit CPU/GPU hard, and lower terrain detail to prevent streaming hitches. Turn off motion blur and scale back anti-aliasing, these smooth visuals at the cost of performance. Make one change at a time. Test for 5-10 minutes. Then proceed only if the frame rate or clarity improve. Finalize with system-level tweaks to lock improvements in place. Clear the console cache and ensure no background apps are active because they steal CPU cycles. Check temperatures to rule out thermal throttling. If problems persist, reinstall the game image to fix corrupted assets. Only consider a factory reset after backups are secured. One key troubleshooting tip: if freezes or artifacts remain, reproduce the issue, record it, and submit it to support. This helps developers identify display-specific bugs and prioritize fixes.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.